Hey guys, Ed here. In this quick video I'll show you how to replace your Dodge Grand Caravan rear backup light. So actually we're gonna remove the tail light to get to reverse lights. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the trunk. Open the trunk and I'll show you on this side. So what you have to do, you have to get yourself a 10mm socket with a ratchet and remove one and two screws. So just get it, and one and two. Okay, so we have both screws out. Next step, what we have to do, we have to pull on the light, and I need two hands actually. So what you do, with one hand I'm pushing and with the other hand I'm pulling. So try to do this with one hand. Up, I think it comes. Yeah, there you go. So guys, I did this with one hand, so you can definitely do it with two hands. Okay, so let's remove it like this and get it out. When you have to take the bulb out, just grab it with your fingers, pull it off, get the new bulb, put it back in. If you need to get a bulb, you can go to dealer or parts store or buy it online and replace it. Once you replaced it, just put it back in place, wiggle, spin till it clicks, put the light, and once it's aligned, just do a light tap on the light is back in place. Now we have to put back the screws, this one and this one, and you're all set. So just tighten them up and you are all set. Guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.